We have to go.
We do? We have to come back in for our stuff. I'm going back to bed, but it's 6 o'clock in the morning, and I woke up, and I feel like I'm rocking in my bed. And I got up to go to the bathroom, and I'm rocking. I feel like I'm still rocking on the boat, like shifting back and forth. Wow, I feel like I'm on the water still. Hi guys. We've been back from our cruise for Wednesday. We got back Sunday night, very late Sunday night. At least everything's still itchy on me from being burned. It's now Wednesday, and the last 2 days I have not done anything. I'm still very tired. Tired from, like, we haven't gone to bed late, although Sunday I did. I went to bed at 1:30. I'm not a night owl. I'm a morning person. So staying up late makes me very tired, which is so lame. But we're back. We're gonna work out. We haven't worked out in over a week, so we feel like we need to work out. So we're gonna do that. I might have to go out after. There's still a lot going on at home, but I'm still busy because I'm leaving again soon, which is crazy because I've never done that. I've never left twice so close to each other. Actually, yes I have. That's a lie. I have. I didn't vlog the rest of the day yesterday because I just was busy editing and all of that still. I have a couple vlogs to do still. I'm still so out of breath from having COVID. Plus it's really humid these days, so I'm like, oh, I can't breathe. I'm doing a cleanup. I'm sweeping and mopping because the floors are kind of real dirty, so, and they need to be cleaned. So I'm doing that, and then I might have to go out later because I have to drop off a package or return a package. I bought Senegence, like from the people that make lip scents. I bought a tinted moisturizer, but it's not the right color, so I need to send that back, and the girl is sending a shade lighter, so that should be fine. We also have a very big storm coming because the sky is rumbling. It's a big clean day, I think. That is what is going on. Sweeping everything, mopping. It'll look and smell great when we're done in here. I love cleaning.
What you shouldn't do. What to eat.
What do you want?
What to drink. What to think. In a world full of cookie cutter.
It's Father's Day. We're going outside to tan a little more because the back of us is still like we're not in the Caribbean Sea anymore. It's in our backyard. And you know, there's such a thing called personal space. He doesn't believe in it. I know. No.
Hey, buddy.
Guys, it's hot out here.
Yeah.
But the pool's too cold to go into.
Sorry. Not forcing it. Like on the boat.
Oh my gosh.
Lucky would be going crazy right now.
You're tickling me. Well, I did not record, but we had a really good Father's Day dinner that I cooked in the slow cooker all day. I made street tacos. You can't really see, but there's some leftover meat. Oh, yum. I made potatoes, It's kind of, oh, it's not that bad actually. But my parents and Shane and I think Finn, because he's not here, went to a baseball game. So I'm gonna clean and I'm gonna relax because I'm tired. Here is the before. It's not too bad. It's really not. Just a little bit of stuff. All right, she's all clean. I even washed the floors. Oh my gosh. Okay, this week I need to get myself healthy again. Debloat, detox before this trip. Not even for the trip, just to get my body healthy. Gotta get more vegetables, fruits, smoothies, that kind of stuff. And exercise more this week. I need to do more cardio, I think. Well, and weights. I need to get my arms more toned. Anyway, let's get healthy together. Good morning, guys. So I think I might actually vlog today because I do have to go do a little bit of shopping. I'll try to take you along. I was going to order off of Shein yesterday, like a dress or something, but the order wouldn't come on time before I have to leave again, so I go in person instead. Except in person never has nice dresses. So we're just gonna look for a couple things and bring you along, maybe.
Let me ask the lady.
No.
Wow, you would never lose this.
Can't find the suitcase, guys. No, not. Alrighty, so we did go out. I think everybody is going on vacation right now because I couldn't find a good suitcase and there was a few people walking out of the stores with them. So I think people are just ready to get back to traveling now and going to get no suitcases and all of that, so it's okay. I still have a week, so, well, a little over a week, so I have time to look. I went to look for the shorts and they were really comfortable. I found some that were nice because I saw them the other day, but you can see like underwear lines and stuff because the fabric was so thin, so that was a no. But they were so cute. So I'm gonna have to find another outfit to wear on Canada Day. And I still need a portable charger, suitcase, portable charger, and snacks and stuff. I can't believe I'm leaving again so soon, but life is hectic right now.
Maybe we just walk it with our basket of stuff. You have to go.
We do? We have to come back in for our stuff. Oh, gotta leave.
Grab our bag.
It's hours later. I've been home for a long time. It's after 6 o'clock. My sister and I are gonna do a bit of Pilates and maybe a dance. I don't know. But that Walmart clip, they're just walking around, going to the cash, and then all of a sudden, beeping. And we didn't do anything at first. We went to the cash like normal, and then the employees were starting to push people out. So we're like, okay, keep our basket here and we'll come back to it. And then 4 fire trucks came. They went into the McDonald's. So something tells me it was maybe like a grease fire, maybe something. Or it was nothing and someone just pulled the thing and it went off. Who knows? I really don't know. Maybe I should look it up and see. But everything was okay. We went back in. We were outside maybe 10 minutes. So all good. Nothing to worry about. Now I'm finishing this vlog and tomorrow I'm going out with some friends for lunch. So I'm really excited. I haven't seen them in a long time. I miss them so much. And then I'm just getting last minute things ready for my trip. It's happening so soon. I leave next week. Craziness, craziness. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this little random vlog. Spread kindness and I'll see you next time in Utah.